everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps. Let's look at how to work a two-color simple bind-off for double knitting. We start by working the first two stitches as we normally would. So I am knitting the first stitch with the background color, and I am purling, bringing both yarns to the front, and then I'm purling the second stitch with the accent color. Oops, that got twisted there. There we go. Now I have two stitches on my needle and I'm bringing both yarns to the back, snugging it up. I'm going to take the first stitch and pass it over the second stitch, just like a normal bind off. Now I like, when I'm working double knitting, I like to put the background color in my left hand and the accent color in my right hand and kind of knit two-handed. However you like to manage your colors is fine. Now we're going to continue working the stitches as we normally would and then binding them off one by one. So I knit this stitch and bind it off. Bind off the previous one. And then I bring both my yarns to the front, purl this stitch, and bring both the yarns behind and bind it off. Okay, knit this one with the cream color and bind it off. I prefer to do the bind off with both my yarns at the back. So even after I purl this one, I'm going to bring the yarns to the back and then do the bind off part. There we go. So we're just working the row as we normally would, and every time we work a stitch, we're passing the previous stitch over it. And that brings us to the end of the row, and now we can just cut the yarn, pull this one through, and we have bound off our double knitting. So that is how you do a two-color simple bind off in double knitting. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.